Hi guys, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Today we are here at Asian restaurant. They have a different kind of delicious dishes. I'm coming here, I'm gonna go to the kitchen and see how I'm gonna cook the food, and I'm gonna test a couple of the dishes. And also there's a manager here. I'm gonna talk with him for how long they are open this restaurant, and he's gonna tell me about this restaurant. Probably they have tell me a lot of interesting things for Asian restaurant, and they are also everything is halal food, halal meat. Also they have a very delicious Eastern Samosa. I'm gonna go to the kitchen and also talk with the cook. Let's stay with us, go inside and enjoy the amazing video for Asian food. Now, what's your name?
Ocean.
Ocean?
Yes.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Nice to meet you.
How you doing?
Good, thank you.
Awesome. I'm Ali. Probably you're gonna see my. Okay, yeah. Thank you, brother. Thank you. How long you guys working in?
We are doing around 2 years, 2 more years.
Okay.
Yes, actually we are from Central Asia.
Central Asia.
Yeah, Central Asia.
Okay.
We do hand-made noodles.
Okay.
And the lamb barbecue.
Okay.
Lamb shish kebab, and we do special chicken with the flat hand-made noodles. Actually.
Awesome.
So what's special for us?
Okay.
We are doing 2 years. Almost very good.
Awesome.
We got a lot of local customers
Awesome.
from the San Jose Bay Area.
Okay.
So we are happy doing this.
How about the sambosa? Do you guys have a good sambosa?
Sambosa is really cool snack for war.
Okay.
And also get very popular in the area.
Okay, yeah.
We're doing samosa with like a skinny tortilla and
Okay.
with beef and onion for inside.
Oh, yeah.
I will show you how to make it.
Okay, let's go inside, see the Central Asian food in San Jose, California. Look at the sambosa. You have a lot, but you are not making for me, yeah? Special for me. Thank you, thank you.
Yes.
Okay. For some people, they see there in the YouTube in their country. That's very interesting for them.
I speak my language because
okay.
they speak in English, in Mandarin.
Uh,
I speak my own language. My own language is Uyghur. You know.
Oh, you go, yeah. Okay.
Somsa is a really popular dish in our country. Also,
Okay.
I'm from Central Asia.
Okay.
My nation is called Uyghur.
Okay.
And what we famous, we are doing the handmade called lagman, also lamb barbecue, lamb shish kebab, and the Somsa is most modern and popular in our country. And this shape is we do this meat with beef and onion, and this skin just make it like this shape.
Okay.
In my country, in Xinjiang, we do this in tandoori.
Okay.
We cook the samosa with tandoori.
Okay.
But in US, we are doing with oven to cook the samosa. Okay? This is how we're doing like this. So buni biz samsa deb ataymiz.
Okay.
Bizning Urumchida yoki bizning vatanda samsini odatda tunurga yoqamiz. Lekin biz Amerikada bo'lsa, biz buni faqat duxovka orqali pishirib, Amerikadagi bizning tamoqni yaxshi ko'rgan xaridorlarga sunyapmiz. Kim xaridorlarning kirishini, yoqtirishini yaxshi ko'ramiz. Thanks for all of you guys watching us. Thank you.
Yaxshi, ko'p yaxshi.
Yaxshi.
So the cook make for me 5 sambosa, and we're gonna test the sambosa, and now I'm gonna see how the other chef, how they are cooking the kebab, and
Your dish is ready.
you guys have a kebab too?
Yes, your kebab is ready, sir.
My kebab is ready. Okay.
And if you want,
okay.
I'll show you. Kebab is like this. Kebab.
Okay.
And we cook this. And then after cooking, like this.
Awesome.
Your order.
Oh, my order ready. Thank
Yeah.
you. Awesome.
Okay, no problem.
Awesome. Cool. Thank you. Awesome.
这个给他们拿着，这个给拿着吧。OK 了。
Okay, this is, we call it lagman. This is the traditional Uyghur food. It's really famous in the world and Central Asia. So we do this with handmade, this noodle.
Okay.
Okay. We do this with lamb and some veggie and tomato and potato sauce, tomato sauce.
Okay.
And then this one is we use the whole wheat with a handmade it. It's really famous or traditional food. Yeah.
Let's go test the halal food, and I'm gonna tell you guys how does it taste.
Okay.
All my 4 dishes ready.
You ready?
Yeah. Now I go outside and I'm gonna test how does it taste.
The Samosa.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Thank you.
We ordered lakman, samosa, and kebab. Let's start from kebab. Here a special kebab for Central Asia. Let's test how does it taste. Kebab is the taste is really good, delicious. You have kind of spice and salt is very normal, very good. It's a soft meat. This is I really like it. Let's try the Samosa. Let's see inside the Samosa. Inside the samosa, kind of oily, but the sauce is really good. Bell pepper, onion, meat, tomato. I think they have kind of veggie inside. On top of this, it's food on Central Asia. I definitely recommend you guys the restaurant, Central Asian restaurant, Halal food and Somsa. Come here, order kebab, samosa, lakman, and also the milk tea is very good. The bread, I love it, this kind of bread. And don't forget subscribe our channel, share with your family, friend, and support us. Thank you so much. Have a great time. Bye.